Hello, how are you? Welcome to Santuário Lunar. In this video I'm going to teach you two things. The first is how to burn Palo Santo, and the second one is how to burn natural incenses, including Palo Santo, resins, herbs, people, whatever you want to burn. Let's see. So Palo Santo is this resin wood. Its name stands for holy wood, Madeira Santa in Portuguese, and it's found in Andes. When we burn it, we release its properties that are calming, tranquilizing, and purifying properties. But even without burning, we can only have the Palo Santo around some places. We can also have these benefits. But when we burn, we have everything maximized. So let's see how to properly burn one stick. Some traditions, including the Inca one, recommends you not to burn Palo Santo directly from the lighter flame. So it's good to light a candle or anything else and then burn the Palo Santo. So we light up the Palo Santo on the candle's flame. We wait a moment until it starts burning, and then we remove it and it's ready. It will stop eventually, but the smoke will be out. And we can spread the smoke around the room, around the house, whatever you want to spread. When it puts out, you can keep the Palo Santo for lighting another day, or you can relight immediately and use again. You don't need to burn the whole stick. Now the second tip is how to burn natural incense and aromatic resins, including Palo Santo too, and herbs and plants, whatever you want to burn. For this we're going to use this kind of discs, these charcoal discs. We're going to need to use also some tongs to safely catch the discs and not to burn our hands unless you want to burn your fingers. We're also going to need a lighter, a candle. I like using a candle not to waste all the lighters, because imagine how many lighters you're going to waste. So if you light a candle, you can use its flame. Of course, we are going to need the incense, the resins or the herbs we are going to burn. And a place to safely burn it. There are many different kinds of incense burners and they are made from many kinds of materials, but I recommend you to use clay or something that is not metal. It can be pottery or resin or anything but metal. Avoid using the metal ones because they don't dissipate the bad energies. So prefer the clay ones if you can have one. So you take the charcoal, you take the tongs, and you place it on the flame and wait until it burns. And when it's ready, when it's burning, you put on the place, on the incense burner or where you are going to burn it. I will burn this incense. You just place it over the disc. So you can see the smoke of the incense, the natural incense rising up. And I'm going to take this moment to burn some more. I'm going to burn the Palo Santo over the charcoal disc. And I'm also going to burn some sage. As you can see, I'm in the middle of the smoke. Everything is organic. There are no chemical components, so it's not toxic. It's not going to harm your organism. Spend all your time waiting. No, this is not going to happen. So this is how to burn Palo Santo and other resins and natural incense and everything you want to burn to purify your home, to bring good energies and to banish the evil ones away. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you have a doubt or if you want to make a compliment, please leave in the comments below that I reply to all of them. And subscribe the channel in case you haven't subscribed yet. And share this video with people who need to purify their homes too. Thank you very much and see you.